Good afternoon, guys. My name is Leslie. On today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to solve Laplace transform using first shift theory or method. Now, with these following examples, I have example one saying that we have to find the Laplace transform of e raised to power minus 2t cos 3t. Now, solution to solve this, I have to find the Laplace transform of each of these functions. You know that in this equation here, there are two functions here, which is the function of exponent and the function of what cos. Okay, so I have to find the Laplace transform of each of these. So you have that the Laplace transform of the exponent function, that is Laplace transform of e raised power minus 2t, is always in the form of what 1 over x minus a. That will be your form of answer. You know that this thing here is in the form of e raised power what is the form of e raised power 80. Okay, so therefore, since in this equation you are giving you are giving the function in this form, so therefore your answer must be in this form. Okay, if eventually you are giving the function in this form, therefore your answer must be in this form. Okay, but if you check in here, we are giving the function in this form, therefore our answer will be in this form. Okay, so I have Laplace transform of e raised power minus 2t is the form of what 1 over x minus a. So which is, so where a is what is minus 2. If you check here, this is minus 2 and this is a, so a is equals what minus 2. So where a is what is minus 2. Okay, so that equals what 1 over x minus bracket minus 2. So which is equals what, which is equal to 1 over what minus 1 will give me what plus 2. Okay, this is the answer, 1 over x plus 2. Now again, let's find the what Laplace transform of cos 3t. So the Laplace transform of cos 3t is always in the form of what x over x squared minus a squared. Okay, this is always in the form of what, so this here in this form, your answer must be in this form. Okay, so it's always in the form of x over x squared minus a squared. Okay, you know that this thing here, you know that this function here is in the form of, this is cos 80. Hope you know. So this thing here is something like cos 80, where a is what is 3 and this is your t. So therefore we are giving our function in this form. Therefore my answer must be in the form of x over x squared minus a. Okay, so therefore where a is equal to 3, so which is equal to what x over x squared minus a. What's a is 3, that becomes 3 squared. So which is equals what x over x squared minus 3 squared is what is 9. So that is this for this. Now you know that in these two functions, the only thing joining them together is what is times. So therefore I have to, so therefore the answer I got for this function, multiply it with the answer you got for this function. Okay, thank you. So therefore that becomes what the answer I got for this function was what was 1 over what x. It was 1 over x plus 2, right? It was 1 over x plus, so that becomes 1 over x plus 2 times the answer I got for cos 3t was what was x over x squared minus what minus 9. So which is equal to what 1 times x will give me what x over this times will give me x plus 2 bracket x squared minus 9. Now therefore let's, if you check in this question, we have to solve using shift method. Now after multiplying this, now in solving this using shift method, now ask yourself, always transfer the highest power to the lowest power in the denominator. You understand? Always transfer the highest power in the denominator to the lowest power in the denominator. So if you check in these two equations, now which one has the highest power? The highest power here is x squared minus 9, right? So I'll transfer the power of this into this equation, into this smaller one. So and if you check, the power of this is what is 1, the power of this is what is 2. So this one is higher than this, so I'll transfer the power of this into this. Okay, so therefore that becomes what the power of this is 2, so I'll transfer the power of 2 into this. So therefore that becomes, I have x over what x plus 2 all raised power what all raised power the power of this, which was 2, now minus what 9. So so also know that in some using shift method, now if 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 x is in the numerator, I mean if x is single, like x, the power of x is 1 and it is in the numerator, just take just take one power, just take single power of x in the denominator into the numerator. Always know that once that is a single x in the numerator, always know that the power down must come up. Just take one power of the denominator into the into the word into the numerator in times of what x. So okay, so therefore the power of x here is 2, so that x plus 2. So I'll take 1x plus 2 into this and replace it as what, as x here. So that becomes this x here will be replaced as what, x what plus 2 all square minus 9. So if you check this, if you square this, that will give you what, this as well. So this is the word answer. Very, very simple. Now I have question number 2. Question number 2 says that we have to find the Laplace transform of 2 e raised power 3t sine 3t. Solution: to solve this, I have to find the what, Laplace transform of each of these, right? Now, therefore, finding the Laplace transform of 2 e raised power 3t is what, that is what, Laplace transform of e raised power 8t. Okay, like this e raised power 3t is in the form of e raised power 8t. So therefore, my answer will be in the form of what, 1 over x minus a. So which is equals what, 1 over x minus, what's my a here? My a is what, is 3. So 1 over x minus what, a, which is 1 over x minus what, 3. Okay, so and you know that the Laplace of this is being multiplied by 2. So I have to multiply 2 times what I got. That is 2 times this will give me what, 2 over x minus what, 3. This is the answer for what? This is the answer for Laplace transform of 2 e raised power 3t. Okay. Now therefore let's find the Laplace transform of this. So let's find the Laplace transform of this one. Okay. So therefore the Laplace transform of sine 3t is in the form of what, sine 80. So therefore my answer will be in the form of a over x squared plus a squared. So therefore that will be where a is what, a is equals what, 3. So that becomes 3 over x squared plus a is 3. That becomes 3 square. Okay, so which is equals what, 3 over x squared plus 3 square is what, is 9. Okay, now therefore we have that. So therefore let's join the powers together. So therefore you know that the two functions here are being linked up by words, by a multiplication sign, that by a multiplication relationship. So these two functions are linked together by a product rule. Okay, so therefore I have to multiply them together. So I have to do the answer I got for Laplace inverse of this times the answer I got for Laplace inverse of this. So therefore the answer for Laplace inverse of this was what, 2 over x minus 3. So 2 over x minus 3, and that is 2 over x minus 3 times the answer I got for Laplace transform of sine 3t was what, 3 over x squared plus 9. So therefore this becomes what, so therefore this becomes 2 times 3 will give me what, 6 over this times will give me x minus 3 x squared plus 9. Okay, so let's apply shift theory method. Now by using shift theory method we have that, so this is equals to 6 over the same thing, transfer the highest power to the lowest power. So the highest power here is x squared plus 9. So which is and the highest power is 2. So I have to transfer 2 to the word lowest power here, which is what, x minus 3 all raised power square plus what, 9. So this is the word answer for this. Very simple. So I have question number 3. Question number 3 says that we have to find the Laplace transform of 4t e raised power minus t. Solution: to solve this, I have to find the Laplace transform of each of these functions. So if you check in this function, there are two functions here, which is the function of t and the function of exponent. So I have to find the Laplace transform of function of t, which is equals to, which is always in the form of n factorial all over x raised by n plus 1. This your answer must be in the form of this. So which is equal, where n is the power at which t is being erased to. So the power of t here is what, there is an invisible 1 here. So the power of t here is what, is 1. Okay, so that equals what, 1 factorial all over x raised by n is what, is 1 plus 1. Okay, so which equals what, 1 factorial is 1 times 1 all over x was square. So 1 times 1 is 1 over x square. So this is the what, answer. Okay, so also now let's find the Laplace transform of the exponent. Also find the Laplace transform of exponent, which is Laplace transform of e raised to minus t, which is in the form of e raised by 80. So therefore that will be in the form of, that mass will be in the form of 1 over x minus a, which is equals to 1 over x minus bracket a is what, is minus 1 here. That become minus 1. So mass is equal to 1 over what, x minus will give me what, plus 1. So therefore that equals to, so this is the word answer, 1 over x word plus 1. So therefore the Laplace transform of 4t e raised to minus t is equals, you know that this 4 here is being multiply these two functions. So that becomes 4 times the Laplace transform I got for t was what, it was 1 over x square, okay, times, and the Laplace transform I got for e to the power minus t was what? 1 over x plus 1. So that becomes 4 times 1 times 1 will give me 4 all over 1 times 6 times will give me x squared bracket x plus 1. So which is equal to 4 over. Now the highest power here is what? Is 2. So I'll transfer the power to the lower one. So that becomes x plus 1 all raised to the power square. Okay, so this is the word answer 4 over x plus 1 all raised to the power square. This is the answer. Very, very simple. Please guys, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.